Wings full eating video. Bomb.
Wait, let me show them these rings.
Oh.
Never mind.
You just made a mess. You shouldn't be allowed to have ranch. Look, you're about to spill it again.
Oh shit.
He's a mess. Hey friends.
Hey friends.
How you doing today?
Hey baddies.
Bomb. Here's a napkin.
Thank you.
You guys, we watched It Ends With Us.
Great movie.
Amazing movie. I loved it.
Nah. Look at that.
I loved the movie.
She loved it so much she got the book.
Yeah, and guess what?
Oh!
Are you kidding me? How did you drop it over here again?
It just slid.
You just threw ranch at me. You wouldn't have a ranch fight? This one did get on me.
Sorry.
Oh my, honey, what are you doing over there? No. How'd you throw it twice? That was personal.
It slid off the thing.
He's plotting against me. Let's have another bite first because this is just so good. Let's do a cheesy pizza. This cheesy pizza is so good. Look at that. Wow. It's so good. Let me get some of that sauce on there.
This is hitting better than Wingstop, I feel.
Yeah. This might be the new place, you guys. It's so good. It's called Epic Wings. I don't know if it's everywhere, though. I don't know. If it's not, I'm so sorry. Because this?
They made me combine mild with lemon pepper.
Oh yeah, they let you combine flavors too.
And this is crazy.
Oh, but yeah. I really like It Ends With Us. I love the movie, so I was like, I have to read the book to see what everyone's talking about. And I will say the book is way different than the movie, but I still really... First of all, I'm shocked because I've never read a book in my life, and I'm about to finish It Ends With Us in 2 days.
Literally.
Like, I read that, I could not stop reading. Wow, wow, wow. But yeah, I've never been able to like sit down and read a book. Even in school, I could never focus. Like, I would be reading, but I wouldn't be thinking about what I'm reading. Like, I would be reading, but thinking about what I'm gonna eat or something.
Oh, deep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So the fact that I'm able to read this is crazy.
She's been at work just reading.
On my lunch break. But yeah, now I kind of want to rewatch the movie after I finish the book to really compare and contrast. And after I finish this book, tomorrow I'm gonna buy the It Starts With Us. Oh no, my tender broke. It's so bright. Oh. Mmm. And they're so juicy. Are the bone-in juicy?
They taste like wings.
You're getting full tendencies.
Can I have a pizza thing? Wait, do you guys recommend going to watch Wolverine or nah?
I feel like it's probably ass.
Do you think it's like one
Here.
of those cringy movies?
Oh. I don't know. I don't really like those kind of movies.
I know, but I just want to go watch.
But I can see how they rewrote the first scene and It Ends With Us. The little balcony scene. Hmm.
Here you go, Mike.
Hmm. Thank you. But
Wait,
yeah,
did the movie start with that? Or the book?
yeah. The book started at the balcony scene, but in the book she tells him about the abuse
From the jump.
from the jump, not later on in the movie. Which I get the movie's not gonna be exactly like the book, but it's honestly really different.
Which one do you like more?
The book.
Really? Is it more like detailed?
Yeah, it's way more detailed.
So they had to shorten it up for the movie,
Mm-hmm.
or else it wouldn't fit.
They talk more about the throwbacks. Oh yeah, in the book, it's all about her diaries. Like she read, or she wrote, everything she was going through. Until Atlas got beat up. But in the movie, they don't talk about it at all. So, I don't know. Are you gonna read the book?
I'm not a reader.
I'm happy to start reading though. Maybe I'm maturing. My frontal lobe is developing.
It's giving woman.
I also like it because it makes me not be on my phone. Like I haven't really been on my phone since I got the book. Yesterday before I went to work, I read the whole morning.
Really?
The whole morning. Up until I had to leave.
So
And
do
I
you
was
recommend the book?
and I was like, no, I don't want to stop. Yeah.
Do you recommend the book without watching the movie?